Endangered species and conservation efforts. The rapid decline of biodiversity has become one of the most pressing environmental challenges of the modern era. Many species are currently facing the threat of extinction due to human-driven activities. One primary cause is habitat destruction, which occurs when forests are cleared for agriculture or urban development. When animals lose their natural homes, they struggle to find sufficient food and shelter, making it nearly impossible for their populations to remain stable. Furthermore, illegal poaching and the overexploitation of natural resources continue to deplete many vulnerable species at an alarming rate. In addition to habitat loss, climate change acts as a significant catalyst for species endangerment. As global temperatures rise, ecosystems undergo drastic transformations that many organisms cannot adapt to quickly enough. For instance, melting polar ice caps threaten the survival of Arctic mammals, while warming oceans cause coral bleaching, destroying vital marine habitats. This environmental instability creates a domino effect, where the loss of a single keystone species can lead to the collapse of an entire ecosystem, ultimately affecting all living creatures, including humans. To combat these devastating trends, various conservation efforts are being implemented worldwide. One effective strategy is the establishment of protected areas, such as national parks and marine reserves. These sanctuaries provide a safe haven where wildlife can thrive without the threat of human interference or hunting. By legally protecting these territories, scientists hope to preserve the natural habitats necessary for species reproduction and growth. Additionally, stricter laws against poaching and the international trade of endangered animals are crucial to reducing the impact of illegal activities. Beyond legal protections, scientific innovation plays a vital role in modern conservation. Zoos and botanical gardens now participate in captive breeding programs, which aim to increase the population of critically endangered animals in a controlled environment. Once these populations become more stable, there is often an effort to reintroduce them into their original wild habitats. Furthermore, advanced technologies like satellite tracking allow researchers to monitor animal movements and detect potential threats in real time, providing much-needed data for effective management strategies. In conclusion, while the disappearance of endangered species is a complex problem driven by habitat loss, poaching, and climate change, it is not an unsolvable one. Through a combination of habitat preservation, rigorous legal enforcement, and scientific advancements, there is still hope for restoring ecological balance. However, the success of these initiatives depends on global cooperation and a collective commitment to protecting the Earth's precious biological heritage. If we act decisively today, we can ensure a diverse and healthy planet for future generations. Vocabularies. Questions. Write T if the statement is true, or F if the statement is false. 1. Habitat destruction is primarily caused by natural disasters rather than human activities. 2. When animals lose their habitats, they face difficulties in finding food and shelter. 3. The decline of keystone species can lead to the collapse of an entire ecosystem. 4. Climate change has no significant impact on the survival of Arctic mammals. 5. National parks are examples of protected areas designed to shield wildlife from human interference. 6. Captive breeding programs are intended to decrease the number of animals in zoos. 7. Reintroduction refers to the process of releasing animals back into their natural habitats. 8. Satellite tracking technology is considered useless for monitoring animal movements. 9. International laws against poaching help reduce the illegal trade of endangered species. 10. The author believes that the problem of species extinction is impossible to solve.